Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart, and today we're going to be talking about our quick straight couplers. So what I have here are the part number 227. These are the quick connect straight couplers. These are a Festo style airline connector. Very simple operation. Make sure, first off, you want to make sure that you have a very clean cut on your airline. Use a very sharp blade and cut that nice and straight. You don't want any crimps. And then simply press that in and you'll feel a slight grab as it hits the back side in this airline connector. And then that's it. It's locked in. As you see, they are slightly oblong, and that is to assist you in the release. So what you'll do is you'll just press down on that, and it's just a slight press, and that releases the airline. So let's go ahead and show you in operation. So here's my pneumatic line in, connect here. I'm going to connect it to this gauge that you can see the pressure, and so you can see here we're doing a pressure test first at 110 psi, and all connected. No bubbles, all is good. I'm going to go ahead and drop the airline down, or the air pressure down to a 40 psi. So you can see even at the lower pressures, and I will do a disconnect. You can see the airflow there, and then reconnect. And again, no bubbles, all sealed up. So if you have any questions on part number 227, this is a twin pack or 2-in-a-pack of the quick straight couplers by Robart. Give us a call at 630-584-7616. Check us out online at www.robart.com or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.